Hey, hi everyone. Today topic is for eye problem. Uh, I'm going to tell you that how the planetary conjunction through your chart, whether you fall into color blindness or having the blur the vision. Why? Because it's already been proven through clinically that if somebody fall into or any time they are having a blindness problem, they definitely fall into hypertension problem, higher BP, type 2 diabetes, and thyroid disease. So those who ended up with this blindness and problem. So chances are these are the problems they will definitely face in future strictly or in any coming up year. So those who already having the eye problem. So this is the for especially for the eye problem people. Do watch this video till the end because you get a clarity about how you can figure out through your chart whether you fall into color blindness or not. If yes, then what is the outcome and what is the remedies? So just get started. So you have to find out in a Lagan chart any of these four planets. These are the concerned planet that you have to keep an eye that in a Lagan chart. Why? Because Moon and Sun, if it's in your chart, being aspected or conjunct with Saturn. I repeat again, if you find in your Lagan chart, Sun and Moon being aspect or conjunct in Lagan chart, that led to the color blindness. So, for brief idea that if you find any of these combinations, these two planet plays in any houses, no matter if it plays in 8th house, no matter 10th house, no matter where it's placed, but if these combinations led to color blindness, but it's led to, but not confirmed. It is you get confirmation when you find these combination of houses carrying by moon, carrying by Sat, Rahu, Sun, Mercury, Sun, Ketu, any of these planets having these combinations, especially these two combinations, then you have this problem. I tell you, this is where you get idea. And if specifically those who people living in a metro cities, because the quality of air is more dangerous, except this western part of the India, from the north Delhi, in Maharashtra and Pune slightly is acceptable with Maharashtra, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata. So if you are watching these from this state, this video is definitely for you because air quality in such areas is not good. Which is we know that air quality also affect our eyes. So do watch this video and get the calculation done. You get clarity whether you fall into or not. So the question is how to reach this point to get to know the houses of combinations. Uh, where to get these combinations. To find out your combinations, before going to start with, this is a chart. It's shown in your. Although I've taken this for demo purpose, and I take out the screenshot. We know there is a 9 planet, and this is where you can see there's different combinations in this chart. And in the Lagan chart, you have to check these kind of patterns, just like Saturn, Sun, Rahu is already being placed. So you have to check first. But before come to the conclusion of finding the combinations, these combinations, where to get, to just follow the step and you get to the point. What means that you have to write it down in a Google that astrology. Once you click this button, once you just check out the website, the main page open like this. You have to fill the data. Sorry, you have to fill the data just like I filled the data of Dilip, male, 15/6, June 2010, and that this is time and place of birth. Once this is done, filling the grid is done, then you will see the next page of when you open it, you will see on the left side. On the left side, there's a many options given to you: calculation, prediction, report, numerology, dasa, lal kitab, and KP system. Just click the KP system. And once you open the KP, click the KP system, there's further more options given. From there, you get idea from KP system plenty where you get idea whether you get idea with your charts if you don't have the chart for yourself. And from there, planet specific nakshatra, you get your combinations. So I start with the first to know your chart. and how you where to get specifically answer. So once you click the chart of, you will get the first page, and in a down part you find a cusp chart. There you get idea. Your second house and then 12th house. This is where you have to make the sort. I mean, in a rough paper you get idea that where your plant placed. Accordingly, making a note. And when it comes to finding the your combinations, once you click that part, specification, you will find this page, and you just take out only the pointers: sun, moon, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. These are the combination you can find in this particular area. So suppose I just want to know that what is my combinations through sun. So I write it on the sun. The second step would be certain star lord or sub lord. I write it this way. I make it two box in a 3 column. What I do, if I want any things, if I want to know the sun planet, the sun combination is there. 5-8. I just write it down. Star lord of the sun 347. I just write it down here. Sub lord having a 4-6. In this way, you get idea about these combinations. So now we come to straight to the point of the knowing the exactly way to calculation done. Because since you get idea about your combinations through the help of the astrology, which I'm very thankful the astrology to get to the answer of combinations. So because the ultimate answer you're getting from combination of houses. Okay, just do not bother what is a combination of houses, but just to know that whether you fall into eye problem, color blindness or not, it is where you get idea. So you have to check. The first step would be knowing the Saturn, any of these planets, so not conjunct or aspect. If they conjunct, then you have to find out. If you find Saturn have these combinations. So this is the first thing, 168. So either you have to check Rahu or either have to check the Saturn. Any malefic planet, so not if they conjunct the sun and moon specifically, and if the both are not good, then this pattern, specifically these pattern confirm the person will face the eye disease problem, which led to the eye blindness problem. And again, it's led to the hypertension, BP, and thyroid problem. So those who have these combinations, I would request these people would definitely visit for every 6 months or every year the eye specialist, because they know how to cure this problem. Okay. So now this is the first case. Now again, the second case. Suppose, just like in this case, the moon is there with the sun and moon. So before going further, if you find addition combination of this, till now we only figure out from basis of 168, 12, 7, 12, which is telling us this blindness problem. But if you find addition of these combinations in this planet, so which improvement good conditions. What does it mean? If you find moon, just like in this case, moon having a 5, Saturn having a mix, 7, 8, 10, and 2, 11, Rahu having a mix, 7, 8, 12 plus 5, 9, 11, which is the mixed combinations. So that means if you find or having also this mixed combination, so this is not a very serious problem. But if yes, if anytime eye issue problem, it led to the eye problem. I mean, it can be curable. So hope I would give some basic idea to figure out or get to know that how you conclude whether you fall into color blindness or not. If this conjunction in your chart is visible, definitely you have to visit doctor. If not, then do not consider much. But yes, every often basis to visit doctor, you get idea. Additionally, you have to check the second or the 12th house for knowing the left eye is a left eye. Suppose you checking the female chart, then left eye is from the second house. You can figure out the left eye of the female and the right side from the male. So I'm going to make the next video on eye issue. So suppose somebody formed these combinations in this chart. So in the next video, you get idea that when this eye problem, eye blindness will occur in their life in the next video. Thanks for watching video. And if you want to understand in Hindi language, then do check out this Being Sensible, which is I'm going to upload in a while. And for anything which is related with the astrology, numerology, vastu, and career counseling related, do check out this channel where I keep uploading the concerned topic, which help for everyone and for every part of the life for lifetime basis. Thanks for watching the video.